Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're aiming for longer locks, you've come to the right place. In this video, we've got all the tips you need to achieve your hair goals. This video is divided into 3 parts: hair growth, simple but effective tips for healthy hair, and solutions for common hair problems. So let's start. Let's discuss hair growth. To achieve long, beautiful hair, try using hair masks and oils. They can help promote growth effectively. Let's dive into everything you need to know about oiling your hair, including essential tips and common mistakes to avoid. Choose the right oil. Opt for natural oils like coconut, almond, or jojoba, known for their nourishing properties. Massage scalp. Apply the oil to your scalp and massage gently in circular motions. This stimulates blood flow, promoting hair growth. Coat the strands. After massaging the scalp, run the oil through the lengths of your hair, ensuring even coverage. Wrap and wait. Once applied, wrap your hair in a warm towel or shower cap to lock in moisture and enhance absorption. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or an hour. Shampoo and condition. After the oil treatment, wash your hair with a mild shampoo to remove excess oil. Follow up with a conditioner to keep your hair hydrated and smooth. Repeat regularly. For best results, oil your hair regularly, aiming for at least once a week or as needed based on your hair's condition. By following these steps consistently, you can promote healthy hair growth and achieve your desired length. And girls, remember to avoid these mistakes when oiling your hair. First, over-application. Using too much oil can weigh down your hair and make it greasy. Apply sparingly, focusing on the scalp and mid-lengths. Skipping scalp massage. Massaging the oil into your scalp is crucial for stimulating blood flow and promoting hair growth. Don't skip this step. Not choosing the right oil. Different oils have varying benefits. Choose one that suits your hair type and needs, whether it's coconut oil for hydration or argan oil for shine. Not being consistent. Consistency is key to seeing results with hair oiling. Make it a regular part of your hair care routine rather than an occasional treatment for the best long-term benefits. Let's talk about hair mask. Here's a simple aloe vera hair mask recipe that can promote hair growth. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel, scooped from an aloe vera leaf, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or olive oil, a few drops of essential oil. Sucha's rosemary, for fragrance and added benefits, but this is optional. Scoop out 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel from a leaf. You can also use store-bought aloe vera gel if fresh is not available. In a small bowl, mix the aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or olive oil until well combined. If desired, add a few drops of your preferred essential oil for fragrance and additional benefits. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair, focusing on the roots and ends. Massage gently to ensure the mask is evenly distributed. Leave the mask on for 30 minutes to an hour to allow the nutrients to penetrate your hair and scalp. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, followed by shampoo and conditioner. Twice. Use this aloe vera hair mask once or twice a week to promote hair growth and maintain healthy, nourished hair. Now I'll give you some valuable hair care tips. First one, silk pillowcases. Invest in silk or satin pillowcases to reduce friction and minimize breakage while you sleep. Protect from heat. Use heat protectant products before using hot tools like blow dryers, straighteners, or curling irons to minimize damage. Gentle handling. Avoid excessive brushing, heat, styling, and tight hairstyles that can cause damage and breakup. Regular trims. Trim your hair every 6-8 weeks to prevent split ends and promote healthy growth. Use a wide tooth comb. Detangle your hair gently using a wide tooth comb, starting from the ends and working your way up to prevent breakage. Balanced diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and protein to nourish your hair from the inside out. Most people deal with dandruff. It's a pretty common issue. Dandruff can be caused by sensitivity to hair care product, dry skin, bathing with hot water, not washing hair enough, and using harsh cleansers. To reduce dandruff, try using anti-dandruff shampoos. First of all, when you are in the shower, you need to lather it in nicely into the scalp so it covers all the scalp, and then leave it in for at least 4 or 5 minutes before you wash it off. This is going to make it more effective. Wash your hair regularly with a gentle shampoo, avoid hot water, and ensure thorough rinsing. Here is a hair mask that can help you with dandruff. Ingredients: 3 lemons, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, water. Cut the lemons into slices or quarters. In a pot, combine the lemon pieces and fenugreek seeds. Add enough water to cover the lemon and fenugreek mixture. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat and allow the mixture to cool to room temperature. Strain the cooled liquid to separate the lemon and fenugreek seeds from the water. Use the strained water to rinse your hair thoroughly, massaging it into your scalp. Leave the water in your hair for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse your hair with lukewarm water. You can follow up with shampoo and conditioner if desired. This method utilizes the properties of both lemon and fenugreek to help nourish the scalp and promote healthy hair. As always, it's a good idea to patch test before using any new treatment extensively. Thank you, Samak, for watching. See you in the next video.